Morning guys.
Good morning.
Today we're going to try and climb Pendle Hill, which is a hill in Lancashire which is just short of being a mountain, and I've lived in Lancashire for about 40 years and must have driven past it hundreds of times, but I've never been up it.
Are you ready?
So I think it's about time I give it a go. And it's an interesting place as well, so we'll tell you a little bit more about it as we're going up. So
It's a bit windy as well.
it is a little bit windy, but let's get to it.
Yeah, go
Okay.
on, let's go.
And this area used to be covered in forest, but now there's not much of it left remaining. Yeah, but still.
We are lucky for the weather today.
Yeah, with the last few days it keeps raining, doesn't it? But
We tried to do it the other day, but it just won't stop raining.
yeah, but I think we've picked a nice day.
Yeah. Josephine would like to do this.
Really?
Yeah. Because I did say to her that the other day when we went to Pendle Village, so we go for a walk in Pendle Hill.
Well, it's nice and easy so far. And it's gorgeous here, by the way.
I'm not looking at the hill up ahead.
Yeah, it's beautiful. The old stone walls. Covered in moss. Pendle Hill is famously associated with the Pendle witches, who were accused of witchcraft in the year 1612. 10 people were tried and executed for witchcraft in the area around Pendle Hill, and the story has become part of local folklore. You can hear more about the story in one of my other videos on our channel.
On the way towards Pendle Hill, we saw these cute little lambs. They are too cute not to include in our videos.
We've had to voice over some of the video because of the wind noise in the background. So we can see Pendle Hill in front of us. And you can just about see some people on the path on the way up in the middle of the picture there. Yeah, I think that might be a nice little walk.
I think before we start with our walking, we'll have a coffee and cakes.
Coffee and cakes? What are you on about? Oh my god. Here we go. Cattle grid here. So we parked up. We put into Google Pendle Hill lay-by parking, which apparently is the closest you can park. And there was plenty of spaces when we've come. So if you're thinking of doing this climb, put Pendle lay-by parking into your maps. The hill is known for its unique shape. It is 557 metres high and only 51 metres short of being a mountain.
It would be better if there's a cable car.
The hill is made of millstone grit, a type of sandstone that is commonly found in the Pennines. This rock was formed around 310 million years ago during the Carboniferous period.
What do you think?
It's quite steep.
Do you think we're halfway yet?
I hope so. The area around Pendle Hill is also known for its association with Quakerism, a sect of Christianity. In 1652, George Fox climbed to the top of the hill and had a vision that led him to found the Quaker movement. It was obviously inspired by the beauty of the surrounding area. As you can see here, it was absolutely blowing a gale. We was probably about 90% of the way up the hill, and we'd done the hard, steep parts. As you get towards the top, there's a much flatter incline towards the summit area. In this clip you can see Joey's covering her ears over because the wind had been starting to hurt her ears a little bit.
And I was pointing towards the summit, and at this moment I was overjoyed to see it.
When we got to the top, the views were truly spectacular. You can see for miles, and that's the reward for the hard climb on the way up. We stayed for about 5 or 10 minutes at the top. We probably would have stayed longer, but because of the high wind, we were starting to get just a little bit chilly, and it was just starting to blow into our ears. In 1947, Pendle Hill was the site of a famous UFO sighting. Several witnesses reported seeing a strange object in the sky over the hill, and the incident was actually investigated by the Ministry of Defence. Pendle Hill is home to a diverse range of wildlife, including birds of prey, deer and rare species of butterfly, and the hill is designated as a site of special scientific interest due to its ecological importance. The hill has also inspired many artists and writers over the years, including the famous author J.R.R. Tolkien. Tolkien is said to have based his fictional mountain Caradhras on the shape of Pendle Hill. We really enjoyed the walk, but we felt it on our knees after finishing. When we checked on the smartphone later on, it said we had done the equivalent of climbing 65 flights of stairs. What did you think of the walk, Jo?
Tiring. It's very windy.
It is.
This is the final gate for our freedom. We're free!
And that's where you've just been. We had a great time on our walk today. We really enjoyed it. Thanks for joining us, and thanks for watching the video. If you've enjoyed it, please press the thumbs up button. It really helps the channel, and we'd love it if you'd like to be one of our subscribers. We're a new channel, and every subscriber means a lot to us. Thanks very much. Cheers, guys.